With the trial against the accused killer clown suspect set to finally start in just 3 months, both sides are filing a flurry of new motions. In one of them, Sheila Keene Warren wants to bring in a man to testify on her behalf. Investigative reporter Terry Parker joining us now with what both sides are asking for. Terry?
Felicia, you know it's usually Sheila Keene Warren's lawyers filing motions, but now the state is jumping in trying to exclude evidence too. And what about that possible other suspect? Will he be able to testify? I told you last August prosecutors had quietly reinvestigated a man named Edward Barr because back in 1991, shortly after the murder of Marlene Warren by a clown, Barr's cellmate at the time said Barr had confessed that he was hired as a hitman to dress up as a clown and kill Warren. A sheriff's detective flew out to interview Barr and wrote in his report, Barr did not deny he was the killer, but Barr then stated to me that he would tell me everything he knows concerning this if I could promise him that he would not get the electric chair. The defense wants to bring that evidence in and have Barr testify. They also say the search of Keene Warren's apartment was unlawful and should be thrown out, and they want the whole case dismissed. The defense says the state waited 30 years to prosecute Keene Warren, and now crucial witnesses have died, evidence has been contaminated, and she can no longer produce an alibi. Meantime, the state wants to exclude a defense crime scene expert from saying the original detective didn't do an adequate job. And they want to exclude a sheriff's department audit that said items in the evidence room were being improperly stored and could be contaminated, which is exactly what the defense is claiming. And the judge won't rule on these motions for a while. He's given both sides a deadline to submit motions by March 7th. He doesn't want to delay this trial again. It's now going on 6 years since Sheila Keene Warren was arrested and charged with murder. Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.